Hi, my name is Emily, and I decided maybe I would start a new project today. About 20 years ago, well, more than 20 years ago, I was a secretary at the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints in the welfare department for the production distribution division. You probably don't know what that means, but it is now, I think, Bishop's Storehouse Services and the Canneries. And one of my jobs was to send out this little cookbook for cooking with basic food storage. There were a lot of funny little inconsistencies and some typos in it, so I took the liberty to update the book and send it out to people as it was requested. But as I looked at the cookbook, I always thought, man, are these recipes any good? Who came up with these recipes? Where are they from? Did anyone even test them? And so now that I'm a mother of 5, I thought, hey, why not? Let's go through and test the recipes in this book. So we're going to have fun making things such as crunchy wheat cereal. Do you think that's like Wheaties? We love Wheaties, but what's this crunchy wheat cereal like? How about amazing lemon cream pie? Or what about pinto bean fudge? Have you ever tried it? Navy bean bundt cake and really good pinto bean pie. There are more recipes and we can try those. One thing I saw too was this magic mix thing. Now who knows what that is? But we're going to try that because with magic mix you can make other recipes like white sauce or fudgesicles. So we hope you'll join us on our adventure for cooking with basic food storage.